Birjyot. We're your friends from school.
Today we are going to show you how to make popcorn with ghee
And eggs with ghee.
How do you like yours?
So good. How do you like yours, Emma?
Oh my god, it's so good. We are going to make popcorn with ghee today. First, we are going to put 2 large spoonfuls of ghee in the pot.
Putting 2/3 cups of popcorn.
And then we are going to wait till the popcorn is all the way popped. It tastes so good. What do you think?
Wonderful. Wow. So good.
Thank you for watching. Please comment down below if you like this video.